Welcome to Wi-Fi Money Vault, where we unravel the secrets of earning online, offering you a map to navigate the vast opportunities the digital world presents. In today's fast-paced world, the internet isn't just a place for entertainment and socializing, it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped into. From freelancing to e-commerce, the avenues for making money online are endless. But among these, there's one method that stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness: cashing out $50 every 20 minutes by watching Google ads. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this for real? It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. With the rise of digital advertising, companies are constantly looking for ways to reach their audience, and they're willing to pay for it. And that's where you come in. By leveraging a few simple tricks and platforms, you can turn your idle time into cold, hard cash. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how it's done, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer potential of the digital landscape. From the comfort of your own home, you have access to a global marketplace where opportunities abound. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking to supplement your income or a student trying to make ends meet, the internet offers a level playing field where anyone can succeed with the right knowledge and tools. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey that could change your life. We're about to unveil a money-making method that's not only simple and effective, but also accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Get ready to unlock the secrets of earning online with Wi-Fi Money Vault. So, let's talk about this game-changing website that's turning idle internet browsing into a lucrative income stream. Picture this. With just a few clicks, you can start earning money by watching ads from brands you care about. It's like getting paid to do something you already do every day. Browse the web. Now let me hit you with some staggering statistics. Did you know that in 2023, global digital advertising spending crossed the $600 billion mark for the first time? That's a jaw-dropping figure, and it underscores the sheer magnitude of the online advertising industry. And guess what? You have the opportunity to claim a slice of that massive pie. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about real-life success stories that exemplify the potential of this earning method. Take Sarah, for example, a stay-at-home mom who stumbled upon this website and turned her spare time into a steady stream of income. With dedication and a bit of savvy, she managed to generate over $1,000 a month, all from the comfort of her own home. And here's a little-known fact for you. Google, the internet giant we all know and love, generates over $238 billion in ad revenue annually. That's right, a significant portion of Google's revenue comes from the very ads you'll be watching. So by participating in this earning method, you're not only lining your pockets, but also contributing to the profitability of one of the world's most influential companies. Now, isn't that fascinating? Step 1. The money-making website. Head over to this website where you can earn money simply by watching ads from brands you care about, because it's putting money directly into your pocket for doing something as easy as watching TV. With hundreds of brands partnering up, there's no shortage of earning potential here. Did you know that online advertising spending surpassed traditional advertising for the first time back in 2019? This shift signifies the growing importance of digital platforms in reaching consumers. By participating in this website's ad-watching program, you're tapping into a booming industry with immense earning potential. Let's take a real-life scenario. Meet John, a college student struggling to make ends meet. By dedicating just a couple of hours each day to watching ads on this website, John was able to earn enough to cover his monthly expenses. This illustrates the power of leveraging online opportunities for financial stability and independence. And here's a startling fact. The average American spends over 24 hours a week online. That's a significant amount of time that could be monetized through platforms like this website. By making the most of your online activity, you're not just consuming content, you're turning it into a source of income. Step 2. Maximizing your earnings. Now that you're signed up, just with a few accounts, you can make $2.50 every minute by watching ads. Creating multiple accounts is simple, and I'll show you a bonus trick to make it even easier. Why is this step crucial? Because it's all about efficiency. By creating multiple accounts, you're multiplying your earnings without multiplying your effort. It's like turning a trickle into a stream of income. Did you know that Elon Musk started his entrepreneurial journey by creating multiple businesses simultaneously? He understood the power of diversification, and so should you. Step 3. Leveraging referrals. Finally, let's talk about passive income. By referring others to the website, you can earn $5 for each sign-up. With the right strategy, you can make $700 a day without lifting a finger. Why is this the icing on the cake? Because passive income is the holy grail of wealth building. It's money that keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working for it. Consider this. According to a study, over 50% of the world's population is now online. This presents an incredible opportunity to reach a vast audience and attract referrals to the website. By leveraging social networks, forums, and other online communities, you can quickly scale up your passive income stream. Now let's have a legitimacy check. Are these websites and tools to be used hack-proof? Is it really safe? But before we talk about that, we want to take a moment to connect with our incredible community here at Wi-Fi Money Vault. Your support and engagement mean the world to us, and we'd love for you to be part of our growing family. If you're finding value in the information shared in this video, I encourage you to hit that like button below. Your likes not only show appreciation for the content, but also help boost the visibility of our videos, allowing us to reach more individuals like you who are eager to unlock the secrets of making money online. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest tips, strategies, and insights into the world of online entrepreneurship. Plus, you'll gain access to exclusive content and updates tailored to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Together, let's continue to empower each other and thrive in the digital landscape. Thank you for being part of the Wi-Fi Money Vault community, and let's keep mastering our money and unlocking the treasures of online earning together. Let's highlight 2 indispensable tools that can significantly enhance your experience and earnings potential: PayPal and the WebGuard plus Chrome extension. First and foremost, let's talk about PayPal. Serving as the cornerstone of online financial transactions, PayPal stands as a trusted and widely used platform that simplifies monetary exchanges across the globe. With its seamless interface and robust security features, PayPal enables users to effortlessly manage their funds and securely transfer earnings from platforms directly to their bank accounts. By integrating PayPal into your earning strategy, you're not only ensuring swift and hassle-free transactions, but also gaining access to a vast array of financial services and opportunities. Now, let's shine the spotlight on the WebGuard Plus Chrome extension. In the dynamic landscape of online advertising, ensuring that ads are viewed is crucial for earning rewards. This is where the WebGuard Plus Chrome extension steps in. Serving as your digital guardian, this extension monitors your browsing activity and verifies that ads are watched as intended. By providing an additional layer of security and accountability, the WebGuard Plus Chrome extension safeguards your earning potential, ensuring that you receive the rewards you've rightfully earned. In summary, with PayPal facilitating secure transactions and the WebGuard Plus Chrome extension ensuring ad authenticity, these 2 tools play pivotal roles in maximizing your earnings while maintaining online safety and integrity. By harnessing the power of these tools, you're equipped with a winning combination to navigate the world of online earning with confidence and efficiency. In conclusion, we've unveiled a groundbreaking method for earning money online by simply watching ads. By following the steps outlined today, you have the power to turn idle internet browsing into a steady stream of income. From signing up to maximizing your earnings and leveraging referrals for passive income, each step is a testament to the boundless opportunities that the digital world offers. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to explore new avenues. So take the knowledge you've gained today and put it into action. Start small, but dream big. With determination and a proactive mindset, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of online earning with confidence and watch as your financial goals become a reality. And remember, here at Wi-Fi Money Vault, we're always here to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Until next time, Keep mastering your money and unlocking the treasures of the digital world.